Hello friends, my name is Shankar Vishnu and today we are going to discuss about Django. Django is a free and open source web framework developed in Python. This follow model view template architectural pattern. This means you can create your all uh, customized model and view and template with whatever you want to show to your user. You can define in your template because it is made with the help of Python, so its functionality is very large and mostly all the place you can use it in complex architectural and arithmetical statistical operation. You can easily impose this framework for the web development. APIs and data parsing is easily handled with this framework. It covers mostly all the area of intelligent web development with machine learning. Most of all web non-website have developed in Django like Pinterest, Instagram, Mozilla, Disqus, Bitbucket and many more. The main features of Django is reusability, that is once you make your code and you can use anywhere in your app. Data parsing, it covers both type of data parsing in form of XML and JSON. Extendability, that is yeah, this is created with the help of Python, so all type of its library and operations thing you can call here with the help of Django you can make your website very fastly and support rapid development. Now I am going to show you the simplest program of Django, that how you will implement to to make your website. Let us see friends. Firstly you have to download this Django app with the help of GitHub. You may easily get this code from GitHub. Just use copy and paste this code. I'm going to watch you that you will get this type of file structure where your all the necessary file is here. You can start your server with the help of this setting.py and models.py, and your all web application file will be found in this my app. Here is the all your template file, your library file, whatever you want to store here, and all the necessary file like URL definition, model definition, etc. So we are going to move about first program. We have to define here URL. I'm going to see you how will you define your URL. You will found here in my project url.py, this one. Here I defined two type of URL, one for admin and another for my app. In my app I call to my template. This custom URL is you can define many types of app here, so it will become very easy to define your custom URL for each app. In such way I defined here a custom URL app. Just write this include, and in my app here my app I defined custom url.py and include here. This is custom.py. Here I defined two URL, and one's first is hi and another one is welcome. In hi URL I define things. This is in view and hi definition. This one is view file and here is hi definition. Here simply I call to a HTTP response and print this value. Let us see what will be the output of this one. For running this we have to just write this thing python manage.py. Firstly go the directory of this Django framework and then type python manage.py and run server. Here you will get the URL whatever you have to run on your browser. Just copy it and paste on your browser. Here I pasted it. Here it define admin and my app, whatever I showed you here already, admin and my app. Now we have to go on my app. Just write here my app. Here also two URL is defined, hi and welcome, as shown you here. Hi and welcome. Hi and welcome. Let us write here hi. You can see here this is the output of this page view, whatever I defined here. This one in heading h1 welcome to my app, and it returned to the value to the browser. This one is welcome to my app. This is simplest program to run a Django framework's first program. In another example I showed you that how will you call any file of HTML, just like you have to, if you have to define your template, then I made here welcome.html named file. Firstly we define template folder inside my app, and here you define a welcome.html file, this one, and here you can write any code of HTML file. Here I write welcome title and you are welcome body text. And now we are going to run this one and we will see what the output we will get. My app, in my app we have to write this one code, welcome. Just we again run this server by Control C. I cancelled all previous operation, and then again run this one. Just copy this code and paste here, and now again go to the URL whatever we are defining here, my app, and here welcome. Again write here welcome. Here you are welcome, you found here, and this is the title of website, welcome. So friends, we saw here that how we will implement the Django framework to create our own app or own website. For further information please visit our site which is written in below text area. Thank you.